In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix some keys not working on laptop keyboard. So first of all, what you will have to do is to very simply click on the start option, then click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will be redirected to your Windows settings. On your Windows settings, you very simply have to click on update and security. In update and security, you will have to locate the option that says troubleshoot. Once you locate it, you will have to click on it. Now in troubleshoot, simply click on additional troubleshooters. In additional troubleshooters, you will have to search for the option that says keyboard. Now in keyboard, you very simply have to click on it and click on run the troubleshooter. Once you click on it, Windows will start detecting the issues with your keyboard, and once it is done, it will show you that no changes or updates were necessary, or simply the troubleshooting has completed, which means that my keyboard has no issues at all. But if your keyboard had any kind of issue, that issue will be visible on your screen. So once you're done, you very simply have to click on close, and this should be enough to fix this issue. But still, if your issue continues to exist, what you can also do is to close your settings application, come to your start section and simply right click. Once you right click, you will see a menu like this. From this menu, you have to click on device manager. Now in device manager, what you will have to do is to very simply again locate the option that says keyboards. You have to double click on it, then a menu will appear like this. From here, what you will have to do is to very simply select any kind of drive, then click on update driver. Now it will ask you how do you want to search for drivers. You very simply have to click on browse my computer for drivers. Then click on this option that says let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then you will see 2 or 3 options depending on your computer. If you have multiple drivers for the same keyboard, you will be able to see those drivers over here. So very simply select a driver, then click on next. Once you do it, as you guys can see, Windows has now successfully updated your drivers, and this should be able to fix this issue. But still, another method that you can also try is to very simply delete an existing driver. So to do that, you very simply have to select a driver, then right click and simply click on uninstall device. Once you click on it, you will be able to easily uninstall your driver, and this should be able to absolutely fix your issue. So everyone, that is how you can fix some keys not working on your laptop keyboard. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.